Want salon quality nails in minutes, no appointment, no hassle? Today, I'm unboxing and testing 3 stunning handmade nail sets by HANAKOKO, and you do not want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First things first, a huge thank you to HANAKOKO for sending me these 3 gorgeous handmade press-on nail sets, and I owe them an apology. Life has been lifing and I'm just now catching up on my content. But today we're making it right with a full unboxing, review, and demo of all 3 sets. Let's be real, getting salon quality nails can be expensive, time consuming, and not always accessible. And while press-ons are a great alternative, not all brands deliver on quality, comfort, and style. That's where HANAKOKO comes in. First up, let's take a look inside of the Ivy Spring box. It includes everything you need, nail tabs, prep tools, and of course, the handmade press-on nails themselves. The design is absolutely stunning, with transitional seasonal colors that just scream elegance. Next, I'll show you step by step how easy it is to apply these press-ons to your natural nails, starting with cleaning and prepping right down to the final look.
필요 없어 만소림 모든 걸 쏟아내 여기 Roll the dice 한 번에 그래 no doubt 알잖아 Step back 느긋하게 one more time 내 맘속에 불을 붙여줌 빠르게 뛰는 심장 소리는 boom 무너질 때 말도 밀고 당겨 떠떠떠 우리만의 게임이 시작돼 No 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 내 맘 두근거림 마주 앉아 너의 눈을 바라봐 모든 걸 걸고 던져 Roll the dice now what's your victory Checkmate now 이건 너무나 dangerous 하지만 look at me
Next up, Una and Ranri, each with their own unique aesthetic. Una is bold and modern, while Ranri is delicate and dreamy. I'll be trying all 3 so you can see how they wear. And because we love a full circle moment, I'll also show you how to safely remove press-ons without damaging your natural nails. And here's the moment of truth, the final result. The Ivy Spring nails are officially on, and I have to say, they look and feel incredible. They are lightweight, durable, and the design is flawless. These nails are my new favorite, and I'm absolutely obsessed. Quick backstory. HANAKOKO is a global beauty brand founded by Hana and her sisters, blending artistry and accessibility. The name means flower in your heart, and their mission is to bring salon beauty to everyone, with minimal waste and maximum creativity. They offer handmade press-ons, lashes, and more, all designed to simplify your beauty journey. If you're ready to elevate your nail game, check out HANAKOKO. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments what you think of all the sets and which one was your favorite. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in, and special thanks to HANAKOKO for sending these amazing products my way. Remember, there's no limit to what you can do with the right tools, whether it's nails or life. See you next time.